Have you been slathering on product after product, chasing glow but ending up with irritation, breakouts, or no real results? What if I told you that the most viral skincare trend right now isn't about more, it's about smarter? That the secret to a flawless lit from within complexion is something you can't even see, but your skin feels it every single day. Stop what you're doing, because what you're about to hear could change your entire skincare mindset. This is not another product. This is a revolution, a science-backed awakening that's reshaping how an entire generation approaches beauty, and it starts with one phrase: skin barrier obsessed. It all began with whispers on TikTok. What if glowing skin didn't come from complex routines, but from protecting the deepest skin layer first, your skin barrier? The obsession became official this year. Millions now organize their skincare around barrier-friendly ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide, panthenol 11, ecto, and create a new aesthetic focused on resilience, not just radiance. This barrier obsession isn't just popular, it's life-changing. Gen Z coined the term skin barrier obsessed as a declaration. No more stripping cleansers, no more harsh acids overused, all sacrifice and no repair. Dermatologists like Dr. Dendi Engelman call retinol the gold standard in anti-aging, but warn it's underused and often misapplied, leading to barrier breakdown. Skin Cycling 2.0 rises as the antidote. Users now personalize cycles of actives, hydration, and rest days based on how their skin feels, not a textbook schedule. It's skincare with science, and it's winning. The trend exploded because it promised visible results without trauma. Creators show routines, gentle milk cleansers, hydrating milky toners, especially with rice extract or fermented essences, layered lightweight mists, and barrier moisturizers, rich in ceramides and fatty acids, on acidic or healing nights only. Spot treatment with retinol or AHS is allowed, then 2 to 3 recovery nights. This alternation rebuilds, not breaks down. Imagine your skin as soil. Overcultivated soil becomes barren. You replenish it, nourish it, let it rest. That's what Skin Cycling does for your face. Hydration nights, actives nights, recovery nights, then repeat. That's why Skinimalist routines with 3 or 4 thoughtfully chosen products now outperform elaborate shelf-height routines with zero barrier focus. The emotional payoff is vital. People who once thought their skin was too sensitive now describe their texture as plush, balanced, and clear. That's barrier health. When your skin barrier functions, acne calms, redness melts away, texture softens, radiance emerges from health, not hiding imperfections with filters or makeup. Community power fueled the trend. Hashtags like #SkinCycling and #BarrierBenefits grew millions of views. Dermatologists joined TikTok to explain ingredients, step counts, and common mistakes. Exfoliating too often, layering active serums every night, skipping essential hydration. Experts urge temperance, exfoliate 1 to 3x a week max. Always pair with ceramide-rich hydration. Brands reacted fast. Kits featuring minimal essentials, gentle cleanser, barrier cream, hyaluronic acid serum are stocking sold-out collections. Ingredient labels boast percentages of niacinamide and ceramides on front packaging. Beauty value now means transparency, knowing each component repairs, not just beautifies. The numbers back it. Search interest in skin barrier ingredients, niacinamide products, and Skin Cycling schedule tripled in the past year. Retinol searches soared, but only for buffered formulas. Multi-mist hydration hacks emerged too. Layering green tea mist, peptide mist, then hyaluronic mist. The result: a hydrated base before treatment and makeup. This movement isn't just skincare, it's shifting beauty culture. The new glow isn't glossy, it's grounded. No shine without substance. It's transparency, sustainability, mental health alignment. Fewer products, less waste, higher confidence. Your skin's health becomes a statement of self-respect. So tonight, pause the temptation to begin your cycle. Night 1, actives. 2, recovery, hydration. 3, cleanser plus moisturizer, rinse and repeat. Protect during the day with SPF, always. Heal first, brightness second. This isn't about chasing trends. It's about sustaining glow that lasts decades, not just days. If you're ready to glow from the inside out, not just cover it up, here's your next step. Hit that like button if you believe skincare should nourish, not punish. Share this video with someone who's stuck in a cycle of overcare, and subscribe now for weekly skin intelligence, barrier-safe routines, ingredient breakdowns, and real results. This isn't a trend, it's a glow movement grounded in science, and it begins with you.